Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Bisdak Chef. And in today's episode, it's going to be a very rich in collagen episode because we are going to be using beef bones and tendons. At alam naman natin na ang coronavirus ngayon is getting to be an epidemic worldwide. Just recently, CNN reported 2,000 cases of death worldwide. So, the best way to combat this virus, because since there's no cure on this, is just to improve or bring up your immune system. So the only way to improve your immune system is taking herbs and spices which are rich in antioxidants. So we are going to be incorporating that in our soup, and hopefully you will make this one, and you know that prevention is always better than a cure. So let's check this out. So first, we're going to be putting water on our pressure cooker. So lalagyan natin ating beef bones. Ang ating tendons. Lalagay ko ang ating white onions. Ang ating kamatis or tomatoes, ang ating ginger or luya. I'm gonna add some Knorr beef cubes just for seasoning. Add some pepper. I want to mix ground pepper and the whole pepper. Salt. All right. Boil this, and hopefully after an hour, we're gonna take it off and let it cool down. Then most of the time, mas maganda na i-overnight mo sa fridge or somewhere na malamig para mamuo yung oil niya. Tatagalin natin. I'll show you it later. I'll show it to you later, okay? So hey guys, welcome back. So kahapon, nagpakulo tayo ng baka. So yung buto-buto at saka yung tendons, pinakuluan natin. And now, you can see na pinatigas natin to sa fridge. So if you can see, ang dami niyang, yung oil is nakuha na natin yung oil. Then we just need to get rid of the oil ng baka para hindi masyadong fatty yung soup natin. So we're going to get rid of the oil here. So we are going to be getting the oil here na namuo para hindi masyadong oily ang soup natin. So kamo dia sa tua o kabaw kung hindi ba tanggalan ng oil, but it's a lot better ang consistency. So guys, so after we remove the excess oil, then ilalagay natin sa pan natin. Ilalagay natin sa pan natin ang sabaw or ang meat. So kukunin ko lang to. So this is, by the way, so rich in collagen because this is a lot of tendons and a lot of beef bones. So all you need is just scoop this in. Next week, see the difference. So once we cover it up, Then we're gonna wait for it to boil, and we're gonna put the rest of our ingredients in, okay? So right now, I think our soup is boiling, so let's check it out, okay? All right. I think we're ready to put in the rest of the ingredients. So ngayon, lalagyan ko uli ng additional na tubig kasi konti lang yung tubig na natira sa pag-boil. I like to use freshly ground salt. It's much better. And I like to use Himalayan pink salt. Mas healthier siya. And black pepper. Black peppers are rich in antioxidants too. Ano siya, nakakapag-increase na immune system. Just like yung chili mo. So, antibacterial din siya. So, there you go. Like what I said, yung coronavirus is very rampant right now. So, after that, lalagyan ko ulit ng additional na kamatis. Kamatis or tomatoes is really rich in potassium. Ginger is a really good antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Lalagyan ko ng corn. So, I like this corn, sweet corn. It's frozen when I bought it sa grocery. But, you know, you can just thaw it and throw it in. About done. I'm gonna add additional black pepper, the whole black pepper. I'm gonna add in some fish sauce. You can buy fish sauce in your Oriental stores pag nasa ibang bansa tayo. Hello po sa mga OFW na nanonood sa channel natin. Mabuhay po kayo. And I also like to add Knorr seasoning cubes. So for this recipe, ginagamit ko po is beef for this recipe. I'm gonna throw in one kasi gumamit na tayo ng isang Knorr cube kagabi. All right. Now we're gonna cover this up again. We're gonna wait for it to boil again. We'll simmer it for a while. Then afterwards, we're gonna put the last two ingredients that we have, yung green onions at saka yung vegetables natin, which is the bok choy. So now that our soup has been boiling for a few minutes now, I'm gonna add the rest of my ingredients, okay? Ganahan ko gumagamit lately. Nagugustuhan kong gumamit ng Hondashi. Try this. I mean, I'm not paid by them, pero I like using it. Ibang flavor. Para siyang organic na magic sarap. It's made of bonito flakes sa Japan. And it's really good. It makes difference sa taste sa pagkain. Lalo na sa soup, lalo na sa mga inihaw. So, try using that. So, I'm just going to sprinkle a few teaspoons. I'm gonna write down in the description kung ilang teaspoons, but I like to cook this way. I don't measure stuff. Sorry. Then I'm gonna add our veggies. So you have the option to add in the veggies kung tapos na yung pagluto, kung malambot na lahat. Normally, ito papalambutin ko pa to ng another 30 minutes kasi you want your tomatoes na ano na talaga, latang-lata na. So to get the nutrients ng kamatis at the same time, ma-absorb mo yung flavor ng kamatis. Parang medyo sour, a little bit of sweet. So yan ang gusto ko. Then mayroon tayong corn. So now I'm gonna add in my veggies, okay? But like I said, you only add the veggies once you're ready to serve it. Once this boils again, you're gonna toss the green onions. That easy. And you can even toss the green onions pag ready to serve na. So you don't need to cook it right away. So like I said, since the coronavirus is very rampant right now, naging epidemic na sa ibang lugar. So there's really no cure for it, no vaccines for it yet. So ang soup na to would at least help you boost your immune system. It has lots of phytonutrients. It increases your immune system. Daming antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, so antiviral. So that's all we can do for now. So I hope na you give it a try, give this soup a try sa bahay nyo kung nagustuhan nyo, and till next episode. Salamat po. Thank you. So, subukan natin to, okay? Let's try it. Sabaw pa lang, ulam na. So, ang daming collagen nito. At the same time, protein. Okay, let's try this. Cheers. Perfect. Lamig yun kayo. Hey guys, if you're new to this channel and if you like my content, please consider smashing those like buttons, sharing it, giving some comments on how we can improve this channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.